Located in the very pretty town of Weld is something that is even better than hiking Tumbledown Mountain. Skoolhouse Variety. It used to be a school here in the town of Weld. They finally found a way where you could sell alcohol and cigarettes in a school legally. I'm here with Kevin. He is the owner here of Skoolhouse Variety. Kevin, how did this place come to be?
Well, I retired from the military back in 2008. We came back to Weld. We were originally from here. The other owner, my wife Holly, and I both went to school through here, and we got this building through an auction for the school reconsolidation, and they closed it back in 2008, and we opened up in 2010.
Why did you keep the whole schoolhouse feel?
Well, it's just like I said, we both went through school here when we were kids, and this is one of the last schools that the town of Weld here in Maine's ever going to see. So we just wanted to keep the look and the feel the same.
You still have the old school bell and you ring it when the food's ready?
We do. We do. If they go out and play on the playground after ordering their food, we'll write on the ticket, you know, that they're here and that they're outside, and we'll tell them to listen for the bell, and then we just good to go.
Visit Skoolhouse Variety in the town of Weld on your way to Tumbledown.